Hello friends, with another product review. I'm here. In this video I'm going to share a honest review related to a product which name is Mary&May Idebenone Blackberry Intensive Cream. In this video we'll discuss what are the benefits of these products and what are the main ingredients of this product, and then we discuss what is the best way to apply this cream to get its maximum result and which skin type can use this product, and definitely in the end we'll discuss what are the drawback of this product. So stay tuned with us and keep watching our videos till end. But before starting my video, I will request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon button so that you can get notifications of my every video. Let's start the video. Mary&May Idebenone Blackberry Intensive Cream is definitely a skincare brand, and this is a skin moisturizer cream and strengthens skin barriers and tone and hydrating your skin and elasticity your skin. It is definitely an anti-aging cream, and the best part of this cream is that it is fragrance free. All ingredients EVG green grade and no animal ingredients are included in this product, and this product is cruelty free, hyperallergenic, safe for sensitive skins, and gentle and safely take care of your tired skin. And this is the claim of this product. Now we'll discuss what are the main ingredients of this product. It contains 63% blackberry complex and idebenone 500 ppm, and these ingredients have powerful antioxidant properties, restore youthful looking skin. It contains 5 types of ceramides. Definitely ceramides provide moisturize to your skins and to create strong skin barrier, moisturize barrier, and prevent natural water loss. And it also provides intense hydrations to wash skins with the thick and smooth creamy texture. This product also refines the appearance of visible wrinkles and provide skin whitening effects. The best part of this product is that it is free from harmful ingredients like paraben, artificial fragrance, colors, alcohol, mineral oils, etc. And the question is how to apply this product to get its maximum result. The ideal timing of applying this product is at night time. You can use this cream as a night cream. And the question is which skin type can use this product. Definitely if you have a older skin and dry skin, this product is for you. And definitely these products provide hydration and moisturize to your skin, and if you have older skin, then definitely it provides enough moisturizer to prevent wrinkles, fine lines, especially it removes your forehead lines, frown lines if you apply it on a regular basis. And this cream is definitely a good winter cream. But if you have a oily skin and if you have a sensitive skin, this product is not for you. If you have oily skins and definitely sensitive skins, it may cause acne and breakout. And the question is what are the drawback of this product. This cream is a little bit thick and smooth texture, and it take longer time to absorb into your skin. This is the drawback of this product. And the second drawback of this product is that this is not for suitable for all skin types. Definitely this is not for oily skin and sensitive skin, but it is good for dry skin and old skin. These are 2 drawbacks of this product. Overall it is a good moisturizing cream, and definitely it make your skin plumpy, hydrate, and it provide a good moisturize to your skin. And definitely it is a good anti-wrinkle cream, but good for only dry skin and old skins. This is the honest review related to this product. If you like my review, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button so that you can get notification of my video. Thanks for watching. Till next video, bye bye.